Keller from the DISCUS software company, and I'm happy to present DISCUS 3D training. To get started, let's look a little bit about 3D, and when you have a model such as CATIA, SolidWorks, Pro-E, etc., you may find that some of the models have PMI. I'll be using that term throughout this, product manufacturing information. And you will see in a minute, I'm going to pull in a model within DISCUS that's already auto-ballooned. It has product manufacturing information embedded within that model. However, there are some 3D models without any native annotations, and you have to manually interrogate them, but it is still very fast and efficient. I'm going to walk you through how we would have an auto balloon, obviously with the PMI, and then later on in another lesson, how you will have entity information, add a balloon, and even measure. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to launch DISCUS right now, and let's open a CAD model, shall we? This is the welcome screen. I don't know you're aware, but we're having free online training every month for not only 2D but 3D. Click the link and you can sign up for 3D training. I closed the window. Those of you who are current DISCUS users, you're going to see that the 3D display is practically identical to the 2D. Let's do upload a model. Right click, add CAD model. I'm going to add one that I know has PMI in it. Select it and click open. Second, it will open up with some information that's going to be useful to us. This is the name of the part. Model is millimeters, and we're going to load the model. Load it up by clicking Load Model. And again, this model will have product manufacturing information embedded in it, and we're going to select that, and you're going to see all of the information here that's already been put on that model. If you click Start Ballooning, balloons the data for you right there and close. There's our model. All of the data is in here. Let me check my validators for a minute. Any requirement, obviously. There we go. All of the data is in here. This is my model. Now, that is not the only story within DISCUS 3D. Here are the various tools. Selection tool, rotate, click and rotate the various views. If you want to go back a view, just go back to the model position. You can pan, zoom in, zoom out, or you can just click your mouse key. Additionally, the up and down arrows on your keyboard, move it by degrees. I'm pressing the left arrow, now I'm pressing the right arrow, the up arrow, the down. Selection tool, let's go back to this. We can move your balloons around. Again, this model has already PMI, product manufacturing information embedded. We're looking at it solid. Let's look at wireframe. That looks like the skeleton of the model, doesn't it? There's a ballooning tool, a sub-ballooning. We can add markup text, a measurement. We can even cut it in half to see what the cutting plane would be. You can cycle through all the various balloons, cycle the markups, look at the front, look at the back, view the top, view the bottom, the left, the right, and again here. By clicking this far right, you can go back one model position. That is the basic navigation within, DISCUS 3D. We loaded a model. I showed you the various buttons. and the PMI.